Every now and then this Samsung fridge makes this loud, annoying noise. When I open the fridge door, it stops. When I close it, it begins again. When I open the freezer compartment, it stops, but in the back, where that light is, it seems to be where it's emanating from. It's much louder there. I'll try it once again. Close the door of the freezer. It will start soon. I'll try to have you hear it's a little louder. So it's right in there, and then it's the let me back up here. It's the top light there, behind there. So that's the best help I can give you.